If you're having edit problems, I feel bad for you, son.
I got 99
problems, but Premiere ain't one. I
I
got
got
the
the
videos and Premiere Pro. Click new project, and then it's time to throw all the clips into Adobe. Let's keep the flow. Put the clips on the timeline to make a sequence, you know. If the clips are too long, the razor's the way to go. It can cut clips down with just a click, it's not slow. Use the pen to fade in clip with some audio. Ripple cut removes the gaps, get it ready to show. Use Ultra Key to take out the green screen, then replace it with an image to change the scene. Reorder all the clips with the selection tool, get them in order and make it look cool. Keyframes are for effects and transitions, make sure it's not too loud, monitor audio with precision. Now export the video, no need for indecision. I got 99 problems, but Premiere ain't one. Hit me! 99 problems, but Premiere ain't one. If you're having edit problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but Premiere ain't one. Hit me!